L-arginine is a fantastic amino acid. L-arginine stimulates the release of growth hormones in the body, hence slowing the aging process. It strengthens blood vessels, the immune system, the hair, offers attractive skin, helps wound healing, and even increases potency. But that isn't the only thing that distinguishes this remarkable amino acid. What exactly is L-arginine? L-arginine is a semi-essential amino acid that is involved in many bodily functions and has a significant impact on health and well-being. It is important in the formation of nitric oxide, NO, among other things, and arginine is its precursor. Nitric oxide is a chemical that is essential for vascular control, the proper functioning of blood vessels, immunological activity, and endocrine processes. L-arginine is also important in protein synthesis, wound healing, erectile function, and fertilization. Although L-arginine may be produced by the body, from glutamine, glutamate, and proline, it is considered a non-essential amino acid. Plasma arginine levels are mostly regulated by food intake. Furthermore, this essential amino acid is frequently depleted as a result of stress, exercise, or disease. A supply in the form of arginine-containing foods or dietary supplements is therefore prudent or necessary for an optimal supply of the body. As a result, it is customary for specialists to argue that L-arginine should now be regarded vital for the body. L-arginine, action mechanisms in the body and applications. Because L-arginine has a varied effect on metabolism, it can positively influence a variety of physical activities if it is present in sufficient levels in the body. Collagen also has a great capacity for water storage, allowing it to fill, smooth, and firm the skin from within. Arginine regulates hormone balance and the release of growth hormones, insulin, glucagon, and prolactin, as well as being a component of the hormone vasopressin, hormone of the posterior pituitary gland. Arginine is a precursor of a number of key biological compounds. It is particularly important in the formation of oxygen monoxide, NO, proline, polyamines, creatine, glutamate, urea, and agmatine by the body. Because of these properties, it strengthens the immune system, activates the thymus gland, and encourages the generation of lymphocytes. L effect arginines and mechanism of action. L overall arginine's effect. In general, the amino acid induces N. Nitric oxide, a neurotransmitter, levels rise, NO. Decreased plaque development. Platelet aggregation inhibition. ADMA concentration decrease. Protection of vascular walls from arteriosclerosis or thrombosis and improvement of blood vessel performance, vasoprotection. Blood vessel dilatation, vasodilation. Ammonia detoxification. L-arginine has an increasing influence on nitrogen monoxide, NO. Because of the nitrogen in the amino acid, a reaction with oxygen occurs to generate nitric oxide, NO. Furthermore, one arginine molecule produces one nitrogen monoxide, NO. By acting as a raw material for gas synthesis, the amino acid L-arginine raises nitric oxide levels in the body. Arginine has been shown to reduce plaque development. In arteriosclerosis, L-arginine has been demonstrated to inhibit this. Furthermore, it protects the arteries, stimulates vasodilation, and controls blood pressure. L-arginine has an anti-platelet aggregation action. L-arginine increases blood flow while inhibiting platelet aggregation and adhesion. Arginine reduces ADMA concentration. Asymmetric dimethylarginine, ADMA, is a cardiovascular risk factor and a nitric oxide synthase inhibitor. ADMA levels in the body have already been found to rise in atherosclerosis, hypertension, diabetes, erectile dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, failure of the kidneys, hypercholesterolemia, smoking, heart attack, preeclampsia, hyperhomocystinemia, failure of the liver. Because of the tight relationship between elevated ADMA levels and the aforementioned disorders, the ADMA level is also considered as a separate measure for the early identification of these diseases. L-arginine has a vasoprotective effect. Nitric oxide protects the vascular wall and improves blood vessel performance, vasoprotective effect. As a result, a deficit causes endothelial dysfunction and increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. L-arginine has a dilation impact on blood vessels. Vasodilatation, paying attention to the body's L-arginine supply increases vascular function and structure, as well as the progression of cardiovascular disorders. The activation of endothelial nitric oxide synthase provides the basis for this. Nitric oxide is generated and, as a result of the L-arginine, produces relaxation of the heart muscle and smooth muscle, resulting in blood vessel widening. In this case, arginine improves blood circulation and oxygen flow to the blood vessels. L-arginine detoxification of ammonia. The breakdown of amino acids in the body produces toxic ammonia. Arginine, on the other hand, participates in the conversion of ammonia to urea, detoxifying the body from ammonia. A sample summary of L effects arginines on the body. L-arginine has a wide range of effects in the body, including improves performance, plays a role in erectile dysfunction, improves fertility and can aid in male and female infertility. It stimulates the body's natural release of growth hormones, making it a potent anti-aging agent. Encourages blood circulation. Promotes fat loss and enhances fat burning. Regulates blood pressure, so relieving the heart and arteries. Controls blood sugar levels. Helps the liver's functions. Serves as an antioxidant. Counteract. Boosts leukocyte production to combat viruses, germs, fungus, parasites, and other pathogens. Boosts regeneration and hastens healing processes. Encourages the growth of new tissue. Enhances and amplifies physical performance. L-arginine affects which organs and bodily functions? L-arginine as a potential anti-aging agent. In study on the therapy of cross-linking in diabetics as early as 1989, arginine demonstrated a considerable benefit against the deadly glucose-induced cross-linking of collagen and glycosylation of serum protein. L-arginine stimulates endogenous growth hormones by inhibiting the inhibitory hormone somatostatin. An experiment on the effect of the growth hormone HGH on aging was undertaken in 1990. 11 seniors received growth hormone HGH injections 3 times a week, resulting in a growth hormone level that was identical to that of young adults. Bones that are firmer and stronger. Injections of growth hormone, on the other hand, have been linked to major negative effects. According to one study, ingesting arginine and lysine enhanced the body's natural growth hormone, HGH, by 700%. L-arginine, on the other hand, had a decisive influence on growth hormone and was synergistic. L-immune arginine system effect. L-arginine promotes the development of white blood cells, leukocytes, in the body, which are responsible for turning infections and other chemicals harmless. The body fights viruses, bacteria, cancers, poisons, fungal infections, and parasites in this way. Furthermore, L-arginine encourages the production of immune cells, thereby supporting our body's primary defense mechanism. Arginine's effect on the sexual organs. Because arginine dilates the arteries, more blood goes into the sexual organ. This can improve erections in males with erectile dysfunction. Phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitors, e.g., Viagra, do a similar purpose. Arginine, on the other hand, necessitates a lengthier and more consistent regimen. In studies, erectile dysfunction has been reversed in the majority of men, but only when combined with pycnogenol pine bark extract. A combination of Viagra and arginine, on the other hand, is not advised. L-arginine has an effect on the brain, neurological system, and memory. L-arginine produces nitric oxide, NO, which acts as a transmitter in the peripheral nervous system, relaxing the smooth muscle of the arteries and facilitating healthy blood flow to the brain via individual blood vessels. Furthermore, scientists have shown that it plays a vital role in the development of neurodegenerative illnesses such as Alzheimer's. Arginine's effect on cholesterol levels. It has a natural favorable effect on cholesterol levels since it is a lipid-lowering agent that decreases LDL cholesterol. L-arginine affects the kidneys positively. They serve the body to excrete the final metabolism products, to balance water equilibrium, regulate and control the urinary composition, the electrolyte equilibrium and the acid-base equilibrium. As a result of a blood circulation optimizing action, arginine in turn has a favorable impact on the kidneys. L-arginine has a specific effect in particular conditions and disorders. Effect of erectile dysfunction and infertility of L-arginine. Erectile dysfunction is also assessed for a vascular disease warning signal. On the other hand, L-arginine normally encourages the flow of blood. In men, this leads to a better supply of blood to their sexual organ and hence increases erectile function in a natural manner. Arginine's effect on cancer. L-arginine amino acid is considered to have an anti-cancer impact, because it may decrease cancer cell division and multiplication. Arginine is working for cardiac failure. L-arginine can support heart failure, exercise tolerance. Diabetes effect of L-arginine. When L-arginine is ingested, insulin sensitivity can be enhanced. It also helps to avoid major diabetes sequelae, such as blindness or diabetic footing. Blood pressure may also be reduced because high blood pressure is a diabetes risk factor. Effect on glaucoma of L-arginine. Arginine has a vasodilating effect that counters intraocular pressure and damages the optic nerve and glaucoma or the green star. In fact, higher intraocular pressure is a primary risk factor for causing injury to the optic nerve. Arginine can help with migraines and vascular headaches. Migraine or vascular headaches can be improved or prevented by taking L-arginine on a daily basis. The effects of L-arginine and L-lysine on agitation and stress. Stress can be alleviated by consuming these two amino acids. The two amino acids reduce cortisol levels and psychological stress. L affect arginines on hair loss and skin rashes. As the amino acid promotes proper blood circulation to the scalp or skin, symptoms of arginine shortage might include hair loss and skin rash. In this scenario, a sufficient quantity of arginine can help to enhance blood supply. Tinnitus, hearing loss, and inner ear dysfunction can all be treated with arginine. Tinnitus, hearing loss, and inner ear dysfunction can all be helped by arginine's circulation boosting action. It is an efficient neurostimulator in the treatment of tinnitus. In the description, we linked products that will help you. We hope you will give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. We look forward to see you in the next video.